अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं CS 502 फाइनल टर्म प्रिपरेशन 2024। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 स्टार्ट करते हैं। एन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम इज वन इन विच यू वांट टू फाइंड correct answer is the best solution. Question number 2, suppose that a graph G is equal to V, E is implemented using adjacency list. What is the complexity of breadth first traversal of G? Correct answer is OV plus E. Question number 3, the total degree of graph is 6. Question number 4, non-optimal or greedy algorithm for money chain takes dash. Correct answer is 0k. Question number 5, the Huffman algorithm find a and dash solution. Correct answer is optimal. Question number 6, which formula is used for calculating worst case running time? Correct answer is T worst n is equal to max minus NTL. Question number 7, the reason for the introducing Sieve technique algorithm is that it illustrates a very important special case of. Correct answer is divide and conquer. Question number 8, Sieve technique applies to problem where we are interested in finding a single item for a larger set of dash. Correct answer is an item. Student, ये 100% करेक्ट एंड वेरीफाइड आंसर है। फिर भी अगर कोई आंसर आपको गलत लगे तो आप कमेंट करके मुझे बता सकते हैं। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें। Question number 9, the number of nodes in a complete binary tree of height h is. Correct answer is 2 multiply h plus 1 minus 1. Question number 10, if there are n square entries in added distance metric, then total running time is. Correct answer is n square. Question number 11, when a recursive algorithm revisits the same problem over and over again, we say that optimization problem has dash subproblem. Correct answer is overlapping. Question number 12, AP multiply Q metric A can be multiplied with AQ R metric B. The result will be AP multiply R metric C. There are P, R total entries in C and each takes dash to compute. Correct answer is C OQ. Question number 13, metric dash chain dash order is dash, then the exponential time method of enumerating all possible parenthesization and checking each one. Correct answer is too slow. Question number 14, the recurrence relation of tower of Henio is given below. Tn is 1 if n is equal to 1, 2 Tn minus 1 plus 1 if n greater than 1. In order to move a tower of 4 rings from one peg to another, how many ring move are required? Correct answer is 32. Question number 15, maximum number of edges in a directed graph may be. Correct answer is approximately b square. Question number 16, an adjacency metric for a graph. Correct answer is it is not necessary for it to be square in shape. Question number 17, using ASCII standard, the string AB minus SC will be encoded dash bytes. Correct answer is the string can be stored using ASCII standard. Question number 18, using Huffman encoding technique, the string ASA will be encoded with dash bits. Correct answer is Huffman encoding fail at this string. Question number 19, in fractional knapsack we sort. The correct answer is value per unit weight in decreasing order. स्टूडेंट, उम्मीद है कि आपके कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो रहे होंगे। प्लीज़ अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब लाजमी करें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, द ग्रीडी पार्ट ऑफ हुफमैन इनकोडिंग एल्गोरिथम इज टू फर्स्ट फाइंड 2 nodes with dash frequency. Correct answer is smallest. Question number 21, the code word assigned to character by Huffman algorithm have the property. Correct answer is that no code word is a prefix of any other. Question number 22, in unidirected graph their correct answer is a convention of only back edges. Question number 23, in the timestamp DFS for edge UV if FU greater than FV, then correct answer is the edges to a tree or cross or forward. Question number 24, K. Ruskell's algorithm. Correct answer is choose the best non-cycle edge. Question number 25, in Prim's algorithm we use. Correct answer is priority QU data structure. Question number 26, adding any edge to a free tree. Correct answer is create a unique cycle. Question number 27, Floyd virtual algorithm is. Correct answer is based on dynamic programming approach and allow negative edges. Question number 28, Dijkstra's algorithm is used for correct answer is single source shortest path problem. स्टूडेंट अगर CS502 के ये MCQs आप लोग प्रिपेयर कर लेते हैं तो इंशाल्लाह आपके MCQs के फुल नंबर आएंगे इंशाल्लाह. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29. Bellman-Ford algorithm applies relaxation to every correct answer is edge of the graph and repeat exactly V1 times. Question number 30. Complexity wise the comparison based merge and quick sort algorithm fall in. Correct answer is quick sort in NP class, merge sort in P class. Question number 31. Running time of load virtual algorithm is. Correct answer is NQ. Question number 32. If we can solve a single NP problem in P time, then correct answer is all NP problem can be solved. Question number 33. If a problem is NP complete, then correct answer is it must also be in NP. Question number 34. Three-color problem is known as dash. Correct answer is NPC. Question number 35. Click hover problem rises in application of dash. Correct answer is clustering. Question number 36. In the three coloring problem of two vertices to be in the same group, they must be not dash to each other. Correct answer is adjacent to. Question number 37. What is the worst case time for merge sort to sort an array of an element? Correct answer is 0 and log n. Question number 38. Such technique of various algorithm to get dash. Correct answer is many possible solutions. Question number 39. The Huffman encoding algorithm is a dash. Correct answer is Getty algorithm. Question number 40. Breed first search is shortest path algorithm that works. Correct answer is on unweighted graph. स्टूडेंट अगर ये MCQs आप प्रिपेयर कर लेते हैं तो इंशाल्लाह आपके CS502 में MCQs के फुल मार्क्स आएंगे. प्लीज़ अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक